cough before I turn them on.
Okay, Mom.
Alright. Here's fall.
Whoa.
Alright, it's on.
Say something.
Volume's turned down.
Hi, Jackson. Jackson. Uh-oh.
You think you're a funny man.
What?
What is it?
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, what's wrong?
What is it? Does he look like he's gonna cry? I turned it off.
Yeah.
What is it?
What's wrong?
I turned it off.
What was that?
That face.
What is that?
Too much.
Yeah, it was that.
Reaching on his leg. Do you need safety change or
No, he
something?
stopped when she...
Yeah, I say yeah. It stopped whenever she stopped whatever she was doing.
Huh?
That face was just like you didn't quite know what to think
I know
of
what
it.
that is.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get some of that stuff so we're not...
I'm crying.
What?
What's
What
wrong?
is it? It's all right.
What's wrong, honey?
All right. Hey.
That face.
Okay. Hey, son.
Yeah, like he doesn't like whatever it is.
Okay, let's try again. So we were originally was going based off to what the test gave us to use shaping, and I had kind of scaled it down a little bit, but now I'm just going to make sort of a flat cover.
Okay.
Yeah, it's two different. Alright, so it's back on. Volume's turned down.
Jackson. What you doing? What you doing?
There you go.
Oh,
You happy boy?
you got them all. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
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 Where's the ducky?
Hey, quack, 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 quack. Oh.
Can I have some?
Where's the train? Where's the train? Oh, no, that's not a train. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Now they crash.
Choo-choo.
Everything crashes.
Oh, there's a fire engine. Woo, woo.